Taylor and I have known each other for a long time, and we played in a band before this, and when that fell apart, we kind of went our separate ways, and then he met Christina, they started dating, and just like, ugh, and they started playing music together. And Julio is Taylor's mother's husband. He's our band's stepdaddy.
Yeah.
Stepdaddy.
And so he got called in to play bass, and then they wrangled me in to play drums, and I was like, I don't know, and then now we're here. So we've known each other for a long time, just as like a group of people, but...
It's like a family affair. Like
Yeah.
we're all interconnected, and you know, everybody's influences are in this band. Like he has the Latin, groovy, jazzy bass playing. Mayo does like everything. But you know, like he's super same, like but groovy, kind of hip hoppy sometimes, and I feel like Taylor brings the folk, and I think I bring like the feminine divine.
The femininity.
20s.
Yeah.
The feminine energy.
20.
She's our gypsy jazz soul, is what it is.
No.
Thank you very much, folks. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Stay tuned for more music. Bye.
by Glass Point House and Wilder Sons. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Bye.
Bye. And if you'd like a CD or a shirt, just come see us.